Namaste, auntie, uncle, mother, father, and to all of my friends watching another video. I know that all of you are keep on asking me where I live. I live in 10 hectares. 10 hectares, as you can see. This is not an artificial intelligence. This is organic. As you can see, we have a lot of carrots in my background. That's a carrots, and our carrots is marketing and what you call balanghoy, my friend. And also our carrots is synthetic. As you can see, there's after our carrots become bigger, it will be harvested with a lot of mango, my friend. What I'm eating right now is very popular in Seoul, India. This is what we call barley, my friend. We use it in chapati and chicken masala. We use it in what you call that biryani, anything. It is very universal, my friend. And just motivation for this video, I just wanted to tell you that alongside with everything that you do in your life, with your passion and loving or wanting you do of everything, and you are working hard, don't forget to also self-care, my friend. You have to go to environment where you can breathe fresh air, no toxicity, no more plastic, friends, no more adjustment from people who is a very bad attitude. You have to go in a very nice place just like this. So I'm touring you here. This is our farm, 10 hectares. I bought it when I was young, so much younger than before, my friend. So this is a very fantastic, very nice, because we have our, what you call this? This is our apple tree. This apple tree is very amazing because it is apple, but when we harvest, it will become bayabas, my friend. And this is our small kitchen, dirty kitchen, open kitchen, ready for all vegetables we have there. So very popular. We have tomatoes, we have garlic, we have onion, we have spring onion, we have also different kinds of banana, my friend. If you tour in, you can see along the way, it's very far, we have a lot of vegetable. We invested in vegetable, my friend, because if there is a war, there's a pandemic, there's a big problem, we can live here very peacefully, my friend, because we have all the fruits, vegetables, in anything, my friend. I tell you, you need to invest for yourself. Working hard is good, but work smart, my friend. If you invest for yourself and for your family, then you don't have to worry anymore, because you don't need to rely to other people. You have all the resources in our farm. You can see it's very big farm, my friend. This is for all of my family members. Become a breadwinner. Thank you for watching. I will tour you once again in our big farm, and we will see the latest updates of my farm visit here at Seoul, India. Namaste, my friends.